Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zipporah, the Lux Angel. On this channel, I discuss luxury, fashion, and style. So if you're new and you're into that sort of thing, go ahead and subscribe with the red subscribe button down below. And today I am filming a what's in my bag video. This is the SLG edition. So I recently picked up a couple of small leather goods from Coach, and I got requests to do a what fits inside. So that's what I'm doing here today. So this is the Coach 6-ring key case, and I have been loving it. I think it's really cute. It's in the cross grain leather in the color Blossom with the gold tone hardware. And so let's just open it right up and see what's inside. It does have, you know, the two little tabs, so it is adjustable. Now, when you open it up, it does have 3 slip pockets. So it has one here, and then one in the back. And currently what I have here is a fob to get into my community pool and into our gym. And I like putting it in this back slip pocket because I've put my car key in here. Now, a lot of people, they don't put their bulky car keys in their key holders. You know, they just leave it out like this, but I feel like what's the point of doing that? If I buy a key case, then I buy it so it can hold all my keys. So I keep mine in here, and I keep it on one of the regular key rings. It does have an independent key ring, so I could keep it on here, but I like to have all of my keys packaged nice and neat. So, you know, I don't know. And I did figure out, okay, so when I first filmed the unboxing for this video, I was asking, like, why does this unfasten? Like, you know, because the slip pocket is behind here, so why does this unfasten? I couldn't figure it out. And the only thing that I think now is if you don't want to use this independent key ring, you can actually flip it under and then fasten it down. So then it just tucks it away, and you do have a cute little, you know, holder. And I just push the key in like that, and then boom, so you don't have the ring sticking out. So that's why I think that it unfastens. I could be wrong. There could be some whole other reason why this unfastens, but I think that it's because, well, at least I use it to hold this down. So currently I just have my house key, I have my mailbox key, I have my Kroger Plus card, yeah, gotta get them points, how you like me now, and I have my car key, good old Subi, and I have more room. I have 2 more key slots, so I could fit 2 more keys on here, but I don't have any more keys, so that's all I have. And because this is technically a key, instead of keeping it in my wallet, I do keep it in my key case. So again, I just put it in the slip pocket, and I put it in this back pocket because when I put it in the side pocket, it interferes with the big car key. And again, I like to keep all my keys all inside. I don't want to have to move this out. The only time I take that out is when I'm driving. I mean, and it could close too with it on that side, but I don't know, with this in here, maybe if I switch this key over to another side, then it wouldn't interfere as much. And again, it is adjustable, so I think you can still close it. Actually, you could still close it with it on that side, but I don't like the way that it just like bulges out. I mean, you can do that, so, you know, that's not a problem, but I just don't like the look of it when you do that. So I don't keep it on that side. And then let's just say you have the key, the big bulky car key over here. You can put it in this slip pocket here, and it still closes. You know, still good, we good, it's all good, but I still just don't like it like that. I think it fits perfectly in the back, boom. And I just have it evened out on both sides for the most part. And then, yeah, I just close up my key holder. Now, I have noticed that it's stretched a little bit, which I do like, and it's probably stretched because I have my bulky key in there. So I can actually put this on the tightest setting. And then again, I just push my little key in like that, and boom, we're good. So I do it like that sometimes, but it's not necessary. So boom, and there you go. It fits all of my keys, including my bulky car key, which most of the time I see people using these things, they don't have their bulky car key in here. And I'm like, why? What's the point, girl? What's the point of having this thing if you can't fit all your keys? So thank you, Coach, for allowing me to be able to fit all of my keys. And I am loving this thing. I think it's super cute. And when I want to just grab my keys, I just, and just go. Just so cute. Don't make no noise. How you like me now? I just love it. So yeah, that's what fits inside. And again, I do have 2 extra key rings that I could put keys on there. So it's not completely full. So, you know, but I don't have any extra keys to like show you, like, so that is just what it is. So yeah, that's what fits into my Coach 6-ring key case, small leather good. And I will be back with another video to show you guys what fits into my small wallet that I just got and my cosmetics case. Both of those I just unboxed, and I want to get those videos out for you right away because I do have like a ton of other bags I need to unbox or like reveal. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 other bags that I literally recently just got. Went on a shopping spree, and I need to reveal them and talk about them. Also some shoes. So we've got a lot of stuff coming up. So stay tuned. But I will have the small leather good what's in my bag editions, the other 2 remaining. Actually, there might be 3 remaining because I do have another small leather good I need to actually reveal. But whatever, I'll have those forthcoming for you guys. All right, thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and leave any questions or comments you have down below, and I will see you guys next time. Until then, have a gorgeous day. Bye.